Welcome to my backyard with Dr. Sam Rassoul, a chiropractor and someone that's going to help us undo a lot of what we've been doing to ourselves throughout the coronavirus pandemic as we've been stuck at home. So we're at a nice distance here, and we're going to do our best to help you loosen up. Isn't that right?
Yeah, so when you're at home, a lot of times people are sitting in chairs that are not ergonomically, like, you know, as they had the good, comfortable chairs at work, they're sitting at their dining room table, they're sitting on their couch, working on their laptop. And
plastic chairs like these.
Plastic chairs like that. And then people are getting outside trying to get more active.
Right.
The forgotten muscle, or the forgotten, you know, element in the whole of this is the hip flexor muscles.
Okay.
What happens a lot of times when we're sitting prolonged periods of time and we're running, this muscle starts to tighten up, acts like an accordion on your lower back, an accordion on your pelvis. So a lot of times you want to keep this muscle loose and limber. A very simple and effective stretch. I'm going to go ahead and go into it. Whatever foot is back, that's the hip flexor we're going to be stretching. Okay. The right leg's going to control everything. Okay. We're going to go into a kneel position right here and get comfortable. You get that foot going forward. And then what you want to do is you want to bend the right knee forward and kind of sink into it. Now you want to get a little more into it, you turn toward the side. Go ahead and turn to the left. There you go. And hold that for about 8 to 10 seconds. And then you just want to kind of push back up with your right leg.
All right. Well, that is stretch one. What do you want to move to next?
A lot of people working on laptops and different things and sitting in chairs, we're starting to cave forward like this. So we're kind of sitting like this with the remote, or sitting like this with our laptops. What happens is you're starting to cave in that chest. So the pillar, we're going to do 3 different stretches. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your arm right here, elbow in hand, and I just shifted my feet, and I hold that for 8 to 10 seconds, and when I'm done, come right out of it. This is going to get the muscle, the major pec muscle. Right. There's a minor pec muscle, a pec minor, which is right under your collarbone. This one's targeted by putting the arm at 90 degrees just like that. Same thing, you want to kind of go into that position, then lean forward. And the last one you want to do, this is more for the biceps tendon, 45 degrees, same stretch, just like that. Right. So let's see you give it a try, Hunter. Go ahead. Yep. There you go. You feel that stretch into your pec out there? I feel it right along here. There you go. And you're going to feel it where the most tightness is.
Yeah, no, this one I feel along, almost under my bicep.
Last but not least. Low. Yep, 45 degrees. Out there. You want to stand up straight and just kind of, again, shimmy back into position.
Dr. Sam has so much for you. In fact, next week, we're going to talk about what you can do to undo all of that sitting and how to keep your neck in a great place. Okay, so we're here to show you some new stretches. Like, as I said before, we did hip flexors and upper body. Now we're moving on. So, what's the first thing you'd like to show us?
The first thing we go over is the neck. Now, Hunter, you know the biggest culprit of that is our fantastic smartphone. We're sinking into our smartphones, we're becoming one with the phone. But one thing you can do is stretch 2 muscles that kind of incorporate with the neck that help alleviate, take the pressure off, and get you to have that good posture again. You're gonna take your left hand, and you're gonna put the back side of your hand on the lower back. And what you wanna do with this hand, you wanna put on the side of your head. Now what you wanna do, just pull to the side. Hold that stretch for 3 seconds. The most important part of this stretch though, when you're done, push the head back up. Now one that's a lot more for especially people with headaches, a lot of tension headaches, a lot of tension in their neck. This is the levator scapula that basically runs from your shoulder blade all the way up to the base of your skull. So it goes from down here all the way up. So what we're gonna do here, same position, left hand in the base of the lower back. Now this one, you're gonna go in the back top corner of the opposite side. Okay. You're actually gonna come forward a little bit and then to the side. 1, 2, 3, and then push my head back up. And then what you wanna do is a very simple yet forgotten stretch for the neck. You can take a bath or beach towel just like this, and you just wanna kind of roll it up. You lay on the floor, and you wanna put this towel under your neck. Your hands are where Hunter's are, either on your stomach or on your chest. This actually helps take the pressure off your discs, helps to take the pressure off your joints, and helps you move a lot better. A lot of people with tension headaches and or disc problems or neck pains in general, this can be a great stretch for them.
All right, let's break out the chairs.
So when I'm sitting like this watching TV, or I'm sitting on the couch, or I'm eating dinner in this position, poor posture, you're putting a lot of strain on your lower back. A very simple way to combat that, using your towel, you want to put it right in the middle of the small of your back. It forces you to sit on your butt bones instead of your tailbone. You actually can get your shoulders back. You're sitting up straight just like this. Right. You want to shift yourself to the edge of the chair or the couch, Put your hands on some support if you have them here on the couch or on the chair, and then stand straight up just like that. That'll help take the pressure off your lower back as well.
Right, and I think just for working at home, it's already something that a lot of people are navigating and aren't used to, but this is a good motivator to be productive, is go sit in that uncomfortable chair that supports you better and then relax on the couch when it's time to relax, but make sure you get up out of your chair the right way. Dr. Sam, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much, Hunter, and I want to tell everybody, stay safe, stay healthy during this,
Yes,
you know.
stay 6 feet away from me.
There you go.